Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the server and making a full backup of the world and configuration. This protects you if something breaks. Once done, open the server folder and locate server. Properties. Make a quick decision now. Change vanilla behavior by editing server. Properties or plan to install a plugin like WorldGuard/PortalGuard on Spigot/Paper for more granular control. Make sure you note server type, vanilla, Spigot, Paper. Forge before proceeding so you pick compatible tools. You now edit the configuration. For a vanilla server, change allow Nether equals false in server. Properties, save the file, and you're almost done. If you run Spigot or Paper, upload a portal control plugin to the plugins folder, then edit its config to deny portal creation and portal use where provided. Once you've changed files, restart the server rather than hot reloading whenever possible to apply changes cleanly. Make sure plugin version matches server version to avoid runtime errors. You finish by starting the server and testing. Try to light a portal or step through one. It should not activate or teleport. If old portals still work, remove portal blocks using world edit/fill or a plugin cleanup command, then retest. If something fails, check server logs for config or plugin errors and verify plugin compatibility with your server jar. If the server won't boot, restore your backup and reapply changes more conservatively. One tip, check for conflicting plugins that re-enable portals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.